Welcome guys, today I am with Motorola Moto G82 5G and I'm going to show you 5 camera tips. So at the first, to open the camera, of course you have to tap on this icon, and then I'm going to show you at the first how to adjust brightness level on your photos. So all you have to do is simply click on the screen, and then when this menu shows, you can just move this slider to adjust the brightness level of your photos. So as you can see, you don't have to open the Pro mode and manipulate the shutter speed, the white balance or ISO. You can make it straight in your standard photo mode or, for example, video mode. It also works on the portrait mode. Another tip will be about zoom feature. So as you can see, currently we got 1, 2, 3 presets. So this one is the macro lens, this one is ultra wide lens, and the last one is the normal lens. So when you want to use the zoom feature in the different ways, you can click on already selected preset, and as you can see, when we make it, we'll get this slider and we can zoom in to the 8 times. And that's how we can make it with the slider. Also, the method with pinching screen is working. So that's how we can make it. Right now, when you open this menu, you have to swipe with your finger. We'll get the camera timer, as you can see, it appears right here. So we got 3 or 10 seconds. So this option is useful when you try to take photos on the tripod. For example, you want to put the phone on the tripod, then you can tap on the shutter and you will be able to go around and get photo. But probably the 10 seconds will be more useful for you when you try to take this kind of the photos. Okay, another tip will be on this selfie camera. So you have to open the settings and go for the photos. As you can see right now, we got the front photo resolution, and we can get more details on our selfies by selecting the high resolution mode. So I can recommend you to switch to the high resolution, because currently it's only for 4 megapixel in the quad pixel mode as recommended, and it's set up as a default. So let's go here and change for this high resolution mode. Okay, so right now it will be the last tip, and we will find it in the AI settings. Oh no, sorry guys, it was about the capture settings. Yeah, it's right here. So that's the option called tap anywhere to capture. So take a look. Right now, when I click on the screen, I can take photo just like that. So how it's useful, I mean, when you can use it, for example, when you hold the phone like that and you have small hands, you are not able to reach this bottom shutter, this one. And for example, this your left hand or the right hand, depending on which hand you are holding the phone, it's not available. I mean, you cannot use it. For example, you hold something, so you have only one hand, so that's useful to take photos like this. But also you can use the volume buttons that you can find in this place. It's also working. Okay, so that's all my 5 tips for the camera in the Moto G82 5G. The 5 tips. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.